Hi guys, so today we're going to be reviewing how to solve for a variable. Okay, but we're going to be using a substitution method, okay? So for example, let's say we have the problem, let's say we have the problem 3 plus x is equal to y, okay? And we know that x is equal to 4. Okay, so all we're going to do, we're going to substitute the x because we know what x is, and then we're going to solve for y. Nice and easy. So 3 plus, and then x is 4. So we're going to substitute this x for 4. And I like to put a parentheses around it, guys, because later on when we start multiplying, the parentheses is going to make things a lot more clear, okay? So then 3 plus 4 is 7. So we know that y is equal to 7, okay? So let's do another example where I'm saying that multiplication and the parentheses will make sense, okay? So this was example number 1. Example number 2. Let's say we have 2x is equal to y, okay? So, and we know that x is equal to, let's say, 8. All right, so again, we know that x is equal to 8. So I'm going to write 2. And then, guys, when you have a variable next to a number, that's multiplication. If you just write 8, it's going to look like 28. And that's not what we're saying. We're saying 2 times 8. This is why I put parentheses every time I replace a variable with a number, okay? So then that's equal to y, right? So then 2 times 8 is 16. So y is equal to 16, okay? Some of these are going to have more of a longer equation, I guess I should say. So let's do one last example. Okay, so it's example number 3. So let's say we have 3x plus 6 is equal to y. And we know that x is equal to 4, let's say. Okay? So again, we know that x is equal to 4. So we're going to be replacing. And again, guys, I like putting that parentheses. Okay? So we're going to have 3 times 4 plus 6 is equal to y. Okay? So now I can use PEMDAS. So remember, we're going to multiply before we add. Okay? So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 6 is equal to y. So then 12 plus 6 is 18. So I'm going to put 18 is equal to y. Okay? So quick review. 3 plus x is equal to y. So x is equal to 4. So all we did was replace that x with the 4. So then y is equal to 7 because 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay? Number 2. 2 times 8 because x is equal to 8. So 2 times 8 is y. 2 times 8 is 16. So 16 is equal to y. Our last one, again, we replace the x with the 4, okay? So 3 times 4 is equal to 12, plus 6 is equal to y. 12 plus 6 is 18y. All right. Hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, like always, you guys can ask me questions on the comments. All right. Thank you. Bye, guys.